Okay, so the first step is to drill the hole for the cartridge. So this is a black cartridge, and to drill the hole in the center of this circle. So you take the drill at the center and just drill. After drilling, the hole will be this size. Next is a color cartridge. Take the drill at this point. This is for blue color and this is for yellow color. The same way, take the drill and drill it. Lastly is the red color. You drill the hole at the center of this line and at the first line here, intersection. So you take the hand drill in the intersection between this line and this line, so you drill at the same spot. After drilling the 4 holes, take this rubber plug and insert to the cartridge. Oh, and yes, use a silicone sealant, cover the hole in this area. There will be a small hole. So after using the silicone sealant to cover the hole, there will be no opening here.